Day one at the American Craft Council Craft Made Baltimore show. All right, y'all, fit check. Going to my very first American Craft Council conference downtown Baltimore. Decided to be very on brand for the Baltimore half. And since I'm going to be helping out at the tote printing booth with Pyramid Atlantic, the wonderful screen printing teaching place out of Hyattsville, to stamp our totes, I decided to go in my little suit here. And then I still need to carry my things, including this little rig. And you should hear me better. So mic'd up. Let's go. All right, made it. American Craft Made. Volunteered first thing. Mask up because it's a little peoply. And we're gonna go see some crafts. Just bought too many books at one booth, and now I'm walking through. I got so many books. It's a wonderful booth of books. And now I'm just walking through and getting all this inspo, but look above my head. There's just something about those old school 80s and 70s era convention centers that I've hung out. So the advantage of Baltimore continuing to have this one is there. Hey y'all, it's the end of my day one. I'm so inspired and I'm so excited about what I'm seeing here in this exhibition hall. As you're looking around here, as I'm showing all this B-roll, everything, not just that, just the old schoolness of the convention hall. I'm just so glad that they did not tear this down when they could have. They could still try to tear it down. I know it's not the most glamorous and the most brand new, but there's just something distinctive about it, and being here at a craft conference, I love that for us. Anyway, we'll be back. Bae will be with me for day two. In the meantime, I am going out to a wholesaler to get ready to bring these paint speckled pants and some totes of my own to a booth near you. Maybe this booth at this conference, 2027. Let's do it.